Hi, I'm Dr. Swati from Radaxis and Cobra, and today we have with us Dr. KD Vakil, who is a very senior and eminent radiologist. Hi, sir. It's a great pleasure to have you here with us.
So is mine.
As a senior eminent radiologist and industry partner, what are your feelings on the 65th IRIA annual conference? Please express yourself.
Hyderabad has always set benchmarks whenever they had the IRA meetings successively in the last 20-25 years. Most important is that the IRA Hyderabad hosts have been very friendly with the industry, and the industry has drawn a lot of mileage in this such kind of conferences. Today, I can say that the industry has displayed some of their state-of-the-art products, which were launched only last month in the RSNA. So the doctors, the clinicians, the radiologists have a feast to witness some of the best products that are being displayed here. And thanks to Radaxis, which quietly has been able to generate a lot of interest and motivate the industry as well as the radiologists. This is what we have seen in the last few months.
As an industry partner, what are your feelings that what should it have in IRIA annual conference?
Been in this industry for the last 42 years, and I must appreciate that Radaxis has focused mostly on the postgraduates and the students. They are the budding radiologists. I would call them the next gen radiologists. And they have a lot to learn from this conference. Some of the papers that are going to unfold in the next 4 days will be of great value to the students. I would urge these students and the postgraduates to visit each and every stall and understand the new modalities that are displayed in this conference.
What is your message to the students and participants?
Well, you must understand that there is a great synergy between the industry and the radiologists. One cannot do without the other. Industry increasingly gets a lot of exposure, but at the same time, the learning process for a radiologist starts from the industry, because modalities are introduced, industry engineers explain to them the clinical benefits and things like that. And this is one specialty which I have noticed in the last 40 years, that the industry and the clinicians, they work hand in hand. The hand-holding is a remarkable thing that I have seen in radiology. I have never seen this in cardiology or urology or general medicine or surgery. But in radiology, the kind of respect that the industry gets from the fraternity is worth it. Worth it. Absolutely delightful, I would say.
What is your advice or inputs to Radaxis and Cobra?
I would suggest that Radaxis should now move into the online domain. It should be a little more assertive and conduct some kind of CME programs like web podcasting and things like that. And it should proliferate it should not only be pan-Indian, but the surrounding countries. We have the SARC radiology body. They must be involved in promoting Radaxis. But Radaxis, in the quickest possible time, has made a mark. It has become a brand for young radiologists. They would go places. Senior specialists like Dr. VSV Ram Mohan, he's so much enthused about it, and I'm sure he will add a great value in this domain, a remarkable value in this domain. I will not be surprised if Radaxis makes its presence in the next IRA, and we should all support Radaxis to mark its presence in the RSNA 2012.
Thanks a lot, sir.